Every motorcycle ride is more than just transportation. It's freedom, it's adrenaline, it's the thrill of the open road. But here's the truth. The right gadgets can completely transform your riding experience. From cutting-edge safety gear and smart tech to comfort upgrades and security tools, Amazon is packed with motorcycle gadgets that most riders don't even know exist. Today, we're revealing 20 must-have Amazon motorcycle gadgets for 2026. Gear that makes riding safer, smarter, more comfortable, and way more fun. Stick with us till the end, because trust me, you won't believe how many of these game changers you'll want on your bike. Let's ride. Gadgets number 20. Sickless electric air compressor. This compact air compressor quickly inflates motorcycle tires with accurate digital pressure readings. Rechargeable and portable. It also functions as a power bank and includes an LED light for emergencies. Gadgets number 19. Borlini motorcycle riding shoes. These riding shoes offer reinforced ankle, heel, and toe protection while remaining comfortable for walking. Non-slip soles and breathable materials make them ideal for on and off bike use. Gadgets number 18. CoFit motorcycle riding gloves. CoFit riding gloves combine protection, comfort, and control. Knuckle armor and reinforced palms protect against impact and abrasion. Touchscreen compatible fingertips allow device use without removing gloves, making them perfect for everyday riding. Gadgets number 17. Iron JS motorcycle rain suit. This rain suit keeps riders dry during unexpected downpours. Waterproof yet breathable material prevents overheating, while reflective strips enhance nighttime visibility. Lightweight and easy to pack, it's essential for all weather riders. Gadgets number 16. Lachine G1 Bluetooth headset. The Lachine G1 Bluetooth headset allows hands-free calls, music streaming, and GPS audio. Advanced noise cancellation keeps audio clear even at highway speeds. Long battery life and easy helmet installation make it a reliable companion for long rides. Gadgets number 15. Kemomoto motorcycle tail bag. This compact tail bag provides secure, water-resistant storage without bulky saddlebags. Expandable design allows extra space when needed. Quick-release straps make installation fast and easy, making it ideal for daily rides or weekend trips. Gadgets number 14. Suunpi motorcycle seat cushion. Long rides can be brutal. This cushion fixes that. The Suunpi seat cushion uses a honeycomb airflow design to reduce pressure points and improve circulation. Anti-slip backing and adjustable straps keep it firmly in place. Lightweight, durable, and water-resistant. It transforms long rides into comfortable journeys. Gadgets number 13. Rock Bros Helmet Backpack. The Rock Bros Helmet Backpack offers versatile storage for riders on the go. Its waterproof construction protects your gear, while the expandable compartment fits a full-face helmet. Multiple pockets keep items organized, and padded straps ensure comfort off the bike. Perfect for commuting or travel. Gadgets number 12. Moco Anti-Vibration Phone Mount. The Moco Anti-Vibration Phone Mount protects your smartphone from damaging engine vibrations. Its shock-absorbing design keeps your phone stable and readable, even on rough terrain. Adjustable clamps fit most phones, and 360-degree rotation allows perfect viewing angles. Ideal for riders who rely on GPS navigation. Gadgets number 11. Yoholio Motorcycle Disc Lock. This compact disc lock provides serious theft protection. Made from hardened steel, it resists cutting and tampering. A built-in 110 decibel alarm activates if the bike is moved, instantly scaring off thieves. Lightweight and easy to carry, it's a simple but powerful security upgrade. Gadgets number 10. JFG Racing Dirt Bike Stand. The JFG Racing Dirt Bike Stand makes motorcycle maintenance safer and easier. Built from heavy-duty steel, it securely lifts your bike for cleaning, repairs, or storage. A non-slip rubber top prevents scratches, while its lightweight design makes it portable, perfect for home garages or track days. Gadgets number 9. Hit Air Airbag Vest. The Hit Air Airbag Vest is one of the most advanced motorcycle safety innovations available today. Using a mechanical tether and CO2 cartridge system, the vest inflates instantly during crash, protecting critical areas like the chest, spine, neck, and ribs. Despite its advanced protection, it's lightweight, breathable, and fully adjustable, making it comfortable for long rides. Once deployed, the cartridge can be replaced, allowing the vest to be reused. For riders who want maximum safety without sacrificing freedom of movement, this vest is a total game changer. Gadgets number 8. Wind motorcycle riding glasses. Wind motorcycle riding glasses are essential for riders who prefer open-face helmets or extra eye protection. They feature shatter-resistant polycarbonate lenses that protect against flying debris, insects, dust, and harsh UV rays. The wraparound design combined with foam padding creates a tight seal, keeping wind and dust out even at highway speeds. Lightweight frames and interchangeable lenses make these glasses comfortable, stylish, and adaptable for any riding condition. Gadgets number 7. ThinkWare Dual Channel Dash Cam. The ThinkWare Dual Channel Dash Cam records your ride in full HD from both the front and rear of your motorcycle. This provides complete visibility and valuable evidence in case of accidents or disputes. Built-in Wi-Fi allows instant video transfer to your smartphone, while its rugged, weather-resistant design handles rain, dust, and vibration with ease. With wide-angle recording, continuous loop capture, and parking surveillance, this dash cam offers both protection and peace of mind. Gadgets number 6. Shui RFSR Full Face Helmet. The Shui RFSR Full Face Helmet is a premium option for riders who demand safety and comfort. Its aerodynamic shell reduces drag and wind noise, while the multi-density EPS liner efficiently absorbs impact energy. The anti-fog, scratch-resistant visor ensures crystal-clear vision in all weather conditions. Inside, removable and washable padding provides a snug, breathable fit, making it perfect for daily rides or long tours. Gadgets number 5. Global Vision Rider Sunglasses. Global Vision Rider sunglasses are built specifically for motorcycle use. They feature shatterproof polycarbonate lenses with 100% UVA and UVB protection. The wraparound design minimizes glare and wind, while rubber nose pads keep the glasses secure even on rough roads. Affordable, durable, and stylish, they're ideal for everyday riding and long road trips. Gadgets number 4. Tracky 4G LTE GPS Tracker. The Tracky 4G LTE GPS Tracker gives riders real-time tracking of their motorcycle from anywhere in the world. Compact and discreet, it helps protect against theft and allows you to monitor your bike through your phone or computer. It also records travel history, making it useful for route tracking and ride logs. With global coverage and flexible power options, this tracker delivers serious peace of mind. Gadgets number 3. Spider ST1 Mesh Intercom. The Spider ST1 Mesh Intercom makes group riding effortless. Thanks to mesh communication technology, riders can connect instantly without complicated pairing. Even if someone joins or leaves the group, clear audio, advanced noise control, Bluetooth support for music and GPS, and long battery life make it perfect for modern riders. Easy to install and helmet-friendly. It's a must-have communication upgrade. Gadgets number 2. Fobo Bike 2 Tire Pressure Monitor. The Fobo Bike 2 tire pressure monitoring system sends real-time tire pressure and temperature data straight to your smartphone. Instant alerts warn you of underinflation or overheating, helping prevent blowouts and accidents. Weather-resistant sensors are easy to install and built to last, making this an essential safety gadget for any motorcycle. Gadgets number 1. DJI Osmo Action 3. The DJI Osmo Action 3 captures your rides in stunning 4K resolution with industry-leading stabilization. Even rough road produce smooth, cinematic footage. It's waterproof, shockproof, and designed for extreme conditions. Dual screens and voice control make filming effortless, turning every ride into a professional-looking adventure video. And that's our full list of 20 must-have Amazon motorcycle gadgets for 2026. Whether you're upgrading safety, boosting comfort, improving performance, or adding smart tech, these gadgets can completely change the way you ride. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe for more motorcycle content, and comment below which gadget is your favorite. Ride safe, stay geared up, and we'll see you on the next ride.